Couple months ago, I did a video on the SmallRig Mapbox Mini, which is what I have right here. What happened was is that I had purchased this Mapbox to use during the solar eclipse a couple weeks ago, so I can have a physical barrier to block the sun from my camera, along with my filter that I have on there. Just couldn't be too safe on that. So, want to make sure I had a physical barrier. So this particular map box, when you read the review on Amazon, it said it could fit lenses with a 95 millimeter um, filter threads. Okay, and I will put the video up here somewhere, actually, right over on this side. So I will put that video up, so you can kind of go check that out. But anyway, make a long story short, I'm not going to go into all the detail with this video. You can watch the other video. Basically, it did not fit. Okay, it did not fit. It only fit a lens with a 95 millimeter lens outer diameter. Okay, not a thread size. Okay. It actually says that it will fit a 92 millimeter, which I've never heard of a 92 millimeter thread size. It did not fit my Sigma 150 to 600 contemporary lens. And a few of you guys have reached out to me and said that it didn't fit your quote 95 millimeter thread lenses as well. Okay. So, Small Rig through Amazon reached out to me. The guy's name was Alex. Great guy. I tell you, it was probably the absolute best um customer service I've ever gotten. Okay. So anything bad that I may have said in that last video about Small Rig, okay, you guys definitely made up for it with Alex. So please give Alex a raise. He definitely deserves that. So anyway, he did everything he could to try to make this one fit. He sent me another one to make sure that this one wasn't damaged. And again, he did this all free of charge. He refunded me my money for this one. Okay. And then he sent me another one. Okay. Because I had returned the first one. And he sent me another one to make sure that would work. And again, that one did not fit. Okay. So what Alex did was really surprised me. He went on a mission to try to find a map box that Small Rig made that would fit my 95 millimeter thread or filter size 150 to 600 contemporary. Okay. And lo and behold, Alex, great job, buddy. He came out and sent me this whole kit. Now, I will tell you right now that this kit is Small Rig's higher end map box. Okay. I had looked at it when I was actually shopping around for map box. However, I was not going to pay $280. Yes, folks. This is a $280 map box. And this one right here only cost me like $45, I think, at the time. I got it on a sale during that time. So $45. So basically, he sent me a map box that is, I mean, I have to call it a professional, excuse the noise. Those are the filter rings um in there. But anyway, he sent me this map box, and you can see right here, this is much bigger, okay, than this one right here. Now I have the adapters in here. Actually, do I have it in this one? No, I don't have it in this one. So I do have the adapter in here so I wouldn't lose it. But like this is an 82 to a 95 millimeter adapter. This one I don't have anything. This one is 110 millimeter. Okay. Now he sent me this, and when I went through the box, unfortunately, it did not have a 95 millimeter to a 110. I think it's 110. I'll put it all in the description below. But it was a 110 millimeter size, a thread size. Didn't have one in the box. So again, Alex went on a mission, and lo and behold, he sent me the adapter ring, which I have in here somewhere. I can't remember which one it is. But he sent me the right adapter ring that would fit this matte box 110 to a 95 millimeter lens. Okay. And it would work on the, I believe, the Canon 28 to 70. That one also has a 95 millimeter filter size on it. And I can't remember the other. Someone else reached out to me. They had another lens that had the 95 millimeter on it and couldn't get the fit. So again, Alex sent me this matte box, and I will tell you, this thing is unbelievable. Again, I promised Alex a couple weeks ago that I would do this video, but it's been kind of a hectic few couple weeks here. So, but again, he sent me this. I mean, this is an amazing matte box. It was definitely overkill for what I need, and unfortunately, I don't think I actually mentioned this to Alex or not, but um, here in Rochester, New York, we were completely overcast. Never even got to see the eclipse. I mean, it got dark and everything, but no photos. Couldn't really do any photos. So, um, anyway, so I Alex went through all this trouble, and I never even really got to use this matte box. But again, he told me I can keep it free of charge. Didn't charge me nothing. And again, I'm not going to say that he's going to do this for everybody. Okay, but I do want to say that's the kind of customer service that's above and beyond. Okay, above and beyond. Small rig, again, give this guy Alex a raise. He definitely busted his butt to make sure that I had what I needed. Not just that I was happy. Okay. I mean, he could have just probably gave me a 50% discount on another small rig product, and I would have been fine with that at the time. Okay. But no, he did not only do that, he refunded my money of the first one. He sent me another one of the first one, this little one over here, the mini, and he sent me this full size matte box that 100% fit the Sigma 150 to 600 millimeter contemporary lens. I mean, it fits 100%. So again, this will go up to 110. I'm not even exactly sure what lenses besides like those big wildlife lenses that people use, but maybe there are cinema lenses that have 110 millimeter diameter around them. But this will fit anything with a 110. And again, if I'm wrong with 110, I will correct you. I will correct myself up on the screen and also in the description. But he definitely came through on me for me. And I tell you, dude, Alex, I'm a fan. Okay. I'm a fan of you and Small Rig. Again, you guys you realize you made a mistake and you fix it. We all make mistakes. I'm sure, again, I might be making a mistake about this 110 millimeter thing. You know what? As long as you acknowledge it and you go and try to fix it, I mean, that's all any business can do. I mean, again, mistakes happen, you know, misprinting something or, maybe not realizing what you did or whatever. Okay. You fix it. Okay. And that's the main thing. And you really can't hold that against any company at all because, again, people are going to make mistakes. Companies are going to make mistakes. And as long as they stand behind their products, they back it up and, they're willing to either give a full refund or whatever. Now, I will say, even for Small Rig, I bought the newer version of the Mini. Okay. Because I thought, because they said the same thing that it would fit. Okay. Well, of course, it did not fit either. And again, I did the same review that I did on Amazon for the newer one. And one of their reps reached out to me and all he did was just give me a refund, which again, that's all you really could ask. I mean, it's just a refund. But again, Alex from Small Rig, just above and beyond. I could not be happier with the customer service that Alex gave me over on Amazon. Again, he is the Amazon representative for SmallRig, or I should say the SmallRig representative on Amazon. So if you buy anything from their Amazon store, most likely it's going to be him or maybe one of the other guys that are going to take care of you. But he is the one that took care of me, dude. Alex, thank you so much. Anyway, hopefully this will help somebody. Um, to not buy. I know they promised me they were going to change the description to make sure that this will not happen to anybody else. So, anyway, take care, everybody.